Riding with the bicycle has always been an adrenaline-fueled sport. It always allows us to live through enjoyable moments. And this fun doubles up when we try out an e-bike for zipping around town or commuting to different places. It eliminates the hassle of pedaling and lets us ride effortlessly. But the only problem is that these types of bikes often tend to come with a high price tag, which most cannot afford. That's why we've sorted out a list of the top 6 best electric bikes under 1000 based on their functions and performance in today's video. So, without delaying more, let's ride through the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Enjoy commuting like never before with great fun and entirely hassle-free with the Swagtron Swagcycle EB7 Elite. It's a foldable electric bike that you can ride on all roads and carry almost anywhere. This electric bike is equipped with a powerful 350-watt hub motor and a removable 36-volt lithium-ion battery. As a result, it can top a max speed of up to 18.6 miles per hour. Not only that, but on a single charge, this bike will let you ride around 15.5 miles on various trails. And the best fact is that this swappable battery doesn't require more than 4 hours to get recharged for your next ride. Finally, with a durable frame, this 42.3-pound electric bike can tolerate a heavy user load of around 264.5 pounds. So, if you're a healthy commuter, this Swagtron Swagcycle EB7 Elite will let you stay worry-free. This ANCHEER 26-inch 350-watt eMTB is an ultimate e-bike that combines power and technology into one package. It will let you cruise on the mountain, enjoy a meander along your favorite trail, and power your daily commute. Its aviation-grade aluminum alloy is going to last for an extended period of time even after a whopping user's weight of 250 pounds. Besides, this electric bike has an IP65 rating, making it appropriate for all weather and environments. The e-bike comes with a high-speed 350-watt brushless motor and a 36-volt lithium-ion battery. They help you ride at 15 miles per hour speed and enable you to reach up to 30 miles on a single charge. This bike is unique because it's got 3 working modes: e-bike, assisted, and normal. You can utilize these modes according to your needs to conquer different trails with utmost comfort. Overall, with advanced geometry, powerful motor, and industry-leading technology, this ANCHEER 26-inch 35-watt eMTB will indeed elevate your riding experience. Designed to provide you with unparalleled riding speed, strength, and power, the Ecotric Rocket Fat Tire will facilitate your riding journey by allowing you to commute from point A to point B swiftly. It comes with an aluminum alloy frame which is robust and can endure up to 265 pounds of weight for an extended duration. Furthermore, this pedal assist e-bike features a 500-watt hub motor which can yield excellent torque to let you ride at a blistering speed of 20 miles per hour. This 55-pound e-bike also boasts Shimano's 7-speed derailleur to level up your riding experience. In contrast, its adjustable suspension fork will deliver you a smooth and comfortable riding experience on all terrains. Last but not least, this electric bike contains 26-inch fat tires, which offer excellent traction, and the bike also has mechanical disc brakes, offering more control over your bike. Experience unbelievable riding speed and commute to different places with utmost comfort with this Hyper E-Ride Mountain MTB-FS, an electric bike specially engineered to make everyday riding much more fun. Like the other high-quality electric bikes, this one comes with an aluminum frame, making it incredibly light yet durable and capable of bearing up to 275 pounds. Equipped with a 250-watt brushless hub motor and 36-volt flush-mount battery, this e-bike can top out at high speed of 20 miles per hour. Plus, it lets you cover 20 miles distance on a single charge. Apart from that, this e-bike comes with a 6-speed Shimano rear derailleur, front suspension forks, V-brakes, and 3-piece cranks to give you a remarkable, smooth, and comfortable riding experience regardless of road conditions. In summary, if you want to uncover new trails or expand your riding boundaries to increase riding fun, this Hyper E-Ride Mountain MTB-FS is truly worth your consideration. Introducing one of the best urban commuters on our list, the KBO Hurricane, which boasts a sleek design, lightweight construction, powerful motor, and belt drive function to help you enjoy a quiet, smooth, and comfortable ride every time, everywhere. Manufactured from 6061 aluminum, its frame will withstand everything your riding journey throws at it. In addition, this material makes your e-bike appropriate for enduring a massive load of 250 pounds. Besides, it comes with a 350-watt brushless geared hub motor and is equipped with 3 levels of pedal assist. Hence, this electric bike lets you enjoy noise-free riding for up to 53 miles. And to help you see accurate riding metrics, this bike features a backlight LCD as well. Additionally, this e-bike comes with an LED headlight for nighttime commuting. And lastly, it's incredibly lightweight, weighing at just 36 pounds, which makes carrying this a breeze. It's time to reveal our top pick, which is the Rad Powerbike's RadMission 1, a Class 2 commuter that features a single-speed drivetrain and lots of other innovative functions to take your riding journey to a whole new level. Its frame is constructed of 6061 aluminum, ensuring ultimate longevity, durability, and long-lasting performance. Plus, this frame won't break over time, even after constantly bearing 275 pounds of weight. Integrated with the 500 watts geared hub motor and 48-volt battery, this e-bike can propel at 70 miles per hour speed and help you reach up to 45 miles on a single charge. Last but not least, this 48-pound electric bike comes with a single-speed drivetrain, which offers easy and maintenance-free riding around town or in urban areas. To conclude, this Rad Powerbike RadMission 1 is backed by all the essential functions to make your riding journey memorable, enjoyable, and of course, comfortable. So that was a list of the top 6 best electric bikes under 1000 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.